Hey everyone, Rick here with Before You Buy. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be giving an update on my Q1 goals to recover from the Google algorithm update that I was hit with in 2020. And if you're new to the channel, this channel documents my experience as an online business owner. I purchased a business back in February of 2020 and I've been running it ever since. Actually 1 year now. We're at February 21st of 2021. So it's been exactly 1 year. And in May of last year, our site was hit with a Google algorithm update, which impacted traffic quite substantially. So again, this video is to give an update to the last video. If you haven't seen the last video, I'll link to it up top here. Make sure to go back and take a look at it. That last video documented all of the traffic, the site traffic and site income over the last 11 months. And you can see where the traffic was at before the update, where it was at after, and where we're trending at currently. And the goals I'm going to talk about now, we talked about in the last video. But I'm going to give an update of where we're at on each of those goals in the last week since posting that video. So first section we're focused in on is increasing and diversifying traffic to the site. In the video, if you remember, if you didn't see it, about 91% of our overall site traffic is coming from Google organic search, which is great unless there's a Google algorithm update, right? So we want to, one, we want to increase our traffic, but two, we also want to diversify our traffic a bit and get traffic from other sources. So some of the things we're doing in that area: number one, updating our title, tags, and meta descriptions on our top performing pages to improve our click-through rate. So I did that on our top 5 pages, which was the goal for Q1. So that is done and behind us. I just did that earlier this week, maybe 3-4 days ago. It's too early to really start grabbing data on that, but I'll definitely report back and let you know how that went. What I noticed when I started going through the Google Search Console information is that some of the core keywords that we've targeted in the past, we're not ranking as well for anymore. However, we're now ranking for some different keywords. So we've updated title and meta to kind of match the keywords that we're seeing more impressions for now, and make sure that that's represented again in our title tag and then also in the meta description as well. So that's done and just collecting data. So we'll check back maybe in a week or a month. Number 2 was adding 5 pieces of content in Q1. So 1 has been added so far. 1 is in the works. So no change there. We got 2, basically 2 completed. 1 I need to just get in and upload. So 3 more to go in Q1. I know a lot of you watching the video might think that 5 pieces of content in Q1 probably isn't enough. I do agree with that. And we just have a lot of other focus areas with the upcoming Google Core update. We want to make sure we're getting our site in good order for that before that May update. So a lot of the things we're spending time on now are around user experience and core web vitals and things along those lines, which is why the content, again, for Q1 is a little on the lower side. We're definitely going to ramp that up in Q2, Q3, and Q4. And a lot of this content, I'll do some of it, but we are going to be subbing a lot of this content out this year. So I'll definitely make a video on how I do that and what I've learned from subbing out content and having other people write. Next, update 5 pieces of content. We've updated 0 so far, so still have 5 to go in Q1. And create 10 YouTube videos. So that's for the site we own. Create a YouTube channel and then create 10 videos in Q1. That's really that diversification of traffic. So this weekend we created a YouTube channel for the site. Also created 2 YouTube videos. So just need to get those published, but finished editing today, and those are ready to hit YouTube. So we're rolling on that. We have 8 to go, and we got about 5 weeks. So do 2-ish videos a week. Should be achievable to get those 10 videos done by the end of Q1. I already have quite a few, I think 20 to 30 outlined. So it shouldn't be much of an issue to get those out, just the time to do it. So the second area we're focusing on our improvements is around increasing and diversifying revenue. One of the key things we're looking at there is improving clicks per user, affiliate clicks per user. by improving our content, so just getting better content out there, and also improving trust with the audience, which we'll touch on that a little bit more in the next section. And then secondly, sourcing some additional affiliate programs. So we have 3 additional already sourced, looking to source another 1 or 2 in Q1, and then Q2, Q3, Q4, we'll start getting those up and running and testing them and seeing which, if any, are good fits, and then we'll keep those on. That'll diversify our revenue. Currently, we are monetized only by Amazon affiliates, so we definitely want to diversify away from that just a little bit. Amazon can be great. However, again, with just one source of revenue, if that source goes away or gets reduced, it can have a major impact to the site. So a lot of our focus, again, is on diversification to take away that risk of one traffic channel, one revenue channel, just destroying the site. And so we have another section. We'll focus on a few things here. Number 1 is improving user experience. That's going to be a key focus area in Q1. First thing we're doing around user experience is creating a new homepage. So we're building that out. Actually just finished up right before this video, just finished up finalizing the homepage. So it's very close, probably a couple more tweaks this evening and then get that published. So the new homepage will be out. Secondly, improving core web vitals. So as most of you may know, and if you don't know, the May Google Core update coming out in May of 2021 is going to focus on, one of the key things it's going to focus on is your core web vitals within Google Search Console. So if you have a site, if you're looking to buy a site, this is a key area. You want to kind of key in on these core web vitals, take a look, see where they're at today, see if they need to be improved. The 2 core web vital issues that I have are the CLS and LCP issues. So we're looking to improve both of those. I'll be doing a video as I improve those and show you exactly how I do it in case you have those same issues, and hopefully that'll help you. And then lastly, building trust with visitors by sharing my story. Really starting to focus in on EAT. I know a lot of people think that EAT may be a little, maybe we focus a little too much on EAT. However, it's the niche we're in, some of the pages can get into that YMYL, your money, your life type of information. So definitely want to have strong EAT. I do have personal experience in the industry, so sharing my story and making a video about my story and things like that. We're doing some other things as well to improve the expertise and authoritativeness of the site and the trustworthiness of the site. So we'll roll in those out as well. And that's it for the Q1 goals. So this is again the 1 week update from our last video, which we showed the 1 year traffic and revenue for the site. And I'll be doing a monthly update on that. So definitely subscribe. You'll want to subscribe so you see that in March when I kick out the new video to show you how we finish February. And then also I'll be doing different videos on the things I'm doing to improve the site and documenting every piece of it. So thanks for joining. Hope you got something out of this. And please please subscribe, please support the channel. That is much appreciated. And I'll see you back in the next one.